Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make header appear only on the first page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Then go to the window menu and select the pages section to enable this. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Now we want to make header appear only the first page, not the all pages. Go to the tool section, select the frame text tool and draw a text frame top on this page. Then write the header text. Then increase the size of the text or the text box. Then go to the window menu again and enable the layer option. We can see here already enabled this. Then we go to the layer option and select the layer, then lock this. Then go to the tool section, select the move tool. Then we can see we add header only on first page appear very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.